What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Come and watch me unbox my Valentine's Day gift. Okay? I posted this video on my TikTok page a couple days ago. However, due to the audio in the video, I wasn't able to upload it on my YouTube channel and also my Facebook page. So, guys, just continue to watch this video to the end. You can leave a comment down below in the comment section. Let me know if you receive any gift for your Valentine's Day or you gave someone something for their Valentine's. Let me know which color rose is your favorite color. My favorite color rose is red. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.